Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how to make potato salad. So this potato salad is a little bit more different than your average recipe. This potato salad recipe was passed down again from my mom to me. My mom was the one that taught me how to cook the majorities of the recipes that I will be showing you throughout my channel. So I hope that you guys really like it. I hope that you guys actually try it out for yourself. And if you do, please leave a comment down below letting me know you're going to try it, or if you already tried it and you liked it. If you do like this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel because I will be posting every single Wednesday. So see you next Wednesday. Alright, so for this recipe, you're going to need 1 onion, 1 green pepper, 1 apple, 2 eggs, and a jar of the Goya fancy Pimientos. I don't know how to say that in English, but they are a type of pepper. Alright, so I didn't mention it, but you do need a 5-pound bag of the russet potatoes and a bowl of water. You're going to grab all of the potatoes, skin them, and cut them into cube-like pieces. Then after that, you're going to want to put those pieces of the potatoes in the bowl of water. This way, you're going to clean the potatoes before you boil them. Now you're going to boil your potatoes. I don't like them way too soft. I don't want like a mashed potato salad. So I like to grab a fork and poke the potato to see how soft it is. And if it does go through, then it's done. Next, you're going to want to cut your onion. I used about 3/4 of the onion. Then I cut them into little pieces. I don't want them too big just because I don't want a crunch in my salad. With the green pepper, you're going to do the same thing you did with the onion. You're going to use 3/4 of the green pepper, cut them into little pieces. I don't like them way too big, just again because of the crunch. Now grab your fancy pimientos, drain the liquid that's inside of the jar, and grab a few pieces and cut them into pieces. I didn't mention it before, but you do need to boil your 2 eggs. You want them to be hard boiled. Once that's done, you can cut them into pieces. The next step is now to cut your apple. Always remember to cut your apple last just because it does get bruised or turn brown. Just cut it into little pieces. Like always, cut them into small pieces just so you don't have that crunch in your salad. Grab all your ingredients and put it in your bowl, and you can mix it all up with your mayonnaise. I like to use the vegan mayonnaise. I feel like it tastes a little bit better, and I think it's my little secret ingredient. And now it's complete. You have your recipe for your potato salad. This potato salad is so tasty and good. You can take it to your family get-togethers or a party that you're having. I promise you that they're going to love this dish. If you do have a vegan or vegetarian friend, all you have to do is substitute the egg for them. Thanks for watching. This potato. Today I'm going to be, you can see the cat in the background, girl. I have a zoo. Just letting everyone know, I have a zoo. Pineapple. Por favor. Gracias.